Have you ever wondered about the myth behind Domino's famous 30 minutes or less delivery guarantee? Today, we're uncovering the history and reality of this fast food legend. The 30 minutes or less guarantee began in the mid-1980s. Domino's promised a free pizza if it took longer than 30 minutes to deliver, making it a game changer for fast food delivery. By the early 90s, this guarantee was well established. In December 1993, Domino's quietly ended its famous promise due to safety and operational concerns. Despite the end of the guarantee in 1993, Domino's continued to market their quick delivery service until around 2020. This was due to the strong brand association with speed. The guarantee had significant implications, including pressure on drivers, leading to safety concerns and operational challenges in managing delivery times under all conditions. Today, Domino's focuses more on technology and customer experience improvements rather than time guarantees. Their app includes real-time tracking to enhance delivery transparency. Despite no longer being a guarantee, Domino's remains synonymous with fast pizza delivery. This legacy shows how powerful marketing can shape consumer expectations and brand identity. So there you have it. The history behind Domino's legendary promise. What other fast food myths would you like us to explore? Let me know in the comments.